Top 6 stocks driving India's nuclear ecosystem. India's nuclear story is not just about reactors, it is also about the companies quietly building the machines, seals, metals, and pipes inside them. And the 6 listed stocks are already in the middle of that chain. पहला स्टॉक जिसकी मैं बात करूँ वो है L&T और Larsen and Toubro. It builds reactors, vessels, steam generations, calandria, control and drive mechanism, nuclear piping and fuel recycle systems. In Q3 of year 26, revenue rose to 71,450 crores, while profit was 3,825 crore. Next is Bharat Heavy Electricals or BHEL. It supplies steam turbine generators and nuclear equipment. It has supplied turbines in 14 of 24 reactors, covering almost 50% of India's installed nuclear capacity of 8.18 gigawatt electric as of March 2025. Q3 of year 26 revenue was 8,473 crores. Profit was 390 crores. Then comes MTAR Technologies. It makes fuel machining heads, drives, bridge and column assemblies and coolant channel assemblies. It has worked with the Department of Atomic Energy and the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited since 1978. In Q3 of year 26, revenue is 278 crore and the profit is 35 crores. Sealmatic India is the next. It makes mechanical seals and help stop leaks in pumps and fluid system and under harsh nuclear condition. H1 of year 26 revenue was 54 crores and the profit was 6 crore. Then Patel's Air Tempt India. It supplies heat exchangers, air cooling equipments, and pressure vessels for reactor cooling. Q3 of year 26 revenue is 87 crores. The profit was 3.37 crores. Last is Mishra Dhatu Nigam or Midhani. It makes super alloys, titanium alloys, stainless steel alloys, and special metal for reactors, precious vehicle, and pipelines and heat exchangers. Revenue was 276 crores and the profit was 28 crores. The lesson is simple. When India builds more nuclear capacity, the winners are not only the big power companies, the real opportunity is often in the parts no one sees. Which one of these 6 companies, let me once again read out: L&T, BHEL, MTAR Technologies, Sealmatic India, Patel Air Tempt India and Mishra Dhatu Nigam is your favorite? Please write in the comment box. मुझे लगता है L&T is just getting ready to move up very very massively. So आपका कौन सा फेवरेट है आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं.